Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Vietnam Chien, and basically it's like a Vietnamese sausage. And if you look here, that's the ingredients there. You got like pork, fish sauce, all that good stuff in there. Here's a nutrient panel. We're gonna do a quick taste test. Yeah, so you have to open the package and then you're gonna chop it up and put it into your food. So I'll do a quick taste test. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's Chien here. This is like cut it up, boiled it, and let's do a quick taste test. So as you can see, it's got almost like I said, the regular fish ball type of texture. So let's open this up. Taste-wise, actually pretty good. Texture is exactly like any fish ball. And taste-wise, it's very mild, not overly, salty or seasoned. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel, guys.